Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a person you know who likes to talk a lot. You should say who this person is. How do you know him, her? What she likes to talk about. And explain how you feel about this person. My cousin Priya is one of the talkative people I know. We frequently meet at festivities, family get-togethers, and even just casual visits because she lives in the same city as myself and is a few years older than me. In our family, Priya is well known for her vivacious nature and her ability to engage in conversation with everyone, regardless of the circumstance. She seems to never run out of things to talk about, and she always has a lot to say. Priya and I grew up together and have many happy experiences, so we have known each other since we were little. Even as a little child, she was always gregarious and outspoken. She always smiles enthusiastically when we meet and starts telling me about her life right away. She is inherently inquisitive and enjoys talking about a variety of subjects, including the newest films and novels, her experiences traveling and working, and even rumors about events in our large family. Priya has a strong interest in current affairs and is able to hold discussions with others on social issues, politics, and technological advancements. I truly respect Priya's confidence and interpersonal skills, even though her conversational style can occasionally feel overwhelming. She has a special gift for telling stories, and her interactions are interesting due to her wit and animated facial expressions. I frequently find myself giggling at her clever comments or being enthralled with her stories. There are times, though, when I wish she would stop and give other people a chance to speak. Nevertheless, I am confident that she always has the best of intentions and likes to make people feel welcome and at ease. All things considered, I believe that one of Priya's best qualities is her talkative nature. She is a person whose excitement and energy light up the room. I respect her for being such a pleasant and interesting person, even when I occasionally need a break from her constant speech. I appreciate having her in my life because she serves as a reminder to me of the value of maintaining curiosity and forming connections with others. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.